Hello, welcome. Question number 2, WASSCE 2025 September edition for Ghanaian students. The locus L is such that the length of PM equals to the length of PN. Which of the following best describe what N is? We can understand this if we understand the topic geometric construction, drawing of what perpendicular line. How do we describe that? Now, if you look at the option A, it is a locus of points perpendicular to a line. We don't have any construction that they say a locus is a perpendicular to a particular line. So that will be discarded. It is the locus of point parallel to MN. The distance between the PM and the PN, which is the L, will be parallel. No, that will not be possible. Then it is the center P, radius MN. That will be a circle. That is not what this is all about. And the final one, it is a locus of point equidistant for MN. You know, if you're asked to draw, this is the point, this is a line M, and if I have a perpendicular line here, how will I draw that perpendicular? Standing here, making an arc, here, intersecting those arcs. This line that if I draw, that line is perpendicular, as in the first one is talking about, perpendicular to PM. In such a way that this is the line L, we are calling the locus. Then from here, we can also have what? P. So from here to here is equal to this. And the distance from here to here in all each dimension is going to be the same. If you measure from the M to P, N to P, the distance you get, that is what we are calling equidistance. The distance from them are going to be the same distance as we measure along. So this will be the one describing the option that the L, which is a locus, is talking about. It should have a locus P, but the same. So this is going to be the option word D. I guess if you have any other way we can describe that, feel free to share that in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.